Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I hope all of you are fine and enjoying the best of life. Friends, my today's video contains again very beautiful, simple, unique design ideas related to women dresses. The ideas are inspired by Brazilian embroidery, very beautiful bot neck embroidery patterns, very beautiful kurti embroidery patterns, very beautiful side neckline embroidery patterns, simple and easy to make. The whole entire embroidery pattern is totally based on 1 to 2 embroidery stitch. The floral patterns are made with simple twisted knot with Brazilian embroidery with satin stitches to give a more enhanced and a beautiful look of trendy embroidery. And the leaves are made using simple and easy stitches like lazy daisy, fly stitch, and some basic patterns of forward and backward stitches. All of these embroidery stitches are friendly for embroidery beginners. You can make them by using threads like anchor, DMC, wool, and even you can use sewing thread for making these patterns. You can make these very beautiful designer patterns of hand embroidery onto your simple and plain fabrics, and you can give a very beautiful, unique and creative look to your outfits. If you have plain fabric, then you can make these very beautiful patterns. If you have already in use some used dresses that are of simple plain solid colors, then you can also embroider these patterns onto them to give them more and new looks as well. So in short, this video collection is a DIY embroidery pattern based ideas that how you can renew your old clothes, how you can give beautiful and creative looks to your old dresses, and with the art or with the help of hand embroidery you can give them a touch of very beautiful and elegantly creative new designer pattern dresses. So you can design these very beautiful neckline patterns onto your shirts, kurtis, vests, onto your sleeveless, very beautiful blended shirts, sweatshirts even. You can make these very beautiful embroidery patterns onto your summer dresses, intermixed fabrics. Lawn dresses would look absolutely pretty and mesmerizingly beautiful when worn along with churidar, tights, or capris. Even you can also pair up your kurtis by making these embroidery patterns along with the perfect matching of plazo as well. So I hope that you have got very beautiful and trendy ideas and you will try these patterns onto your plain fabrics, and you can also design your blouses as well. So my only request is to like and don't forget to subscribe, leave massive comments below my video so that we could get to know what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you on a daily basis, guys. So your comments are the most important section and part for us, because it is the only way of interacting with your thought process and your choices of interest as well. So stay tuned and stay blessed for upcoming new videos. Up till then, take care.